people, have you heard of electronic credit reversal and reclaim statement, which has just come out last month? Have you heard, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So this has just come out last month, not even 1 month, 31st of August. Extremely important. Try to understand the concept of this. Let us see the GSTR 3B. This is GSTR 3B. Now there are certain cases for temporary reversal, which you've already mentioned. अभी तो mention किए ना 30 तारीख का invoice था, 2 तारीख को माल आया अगला महीना का, तो we cannot take it in August. We have to take it in September. So what are we going to do? We are in the month of August. We are going to reverse in table 4B2, right? Because the input will be auto-populated in 4A5, and now this is the GSTR 3B for the month of September, assume. So we are going to claim input tax credit with our hand. We are going to add it in 4A5 and we are going to report it in 4D1. This is the process. I hope everyone knows that. This is not the amendment. The amendment is that in these cases where goods have not been received, you are doing temporary reversal in 4B2. Supplier has not filed his GSTR 3B return. Let's go to the first slide. Rule 88D. DRC 01C, where the supplier has not filed his 3B. So you come to know you do your temporary reversal of input tax credit in table 4B2. Let's come to this point. Are you aware that you have to reverse your input tax credit temporarily if you are not making payment to your supplier within 180 days from the date of invoice? Second proviso to section 16 subsection 2 read with rule 37. So these are few cases, sir, where temporary reversal of input tax credit is mandated. Temporary reversal in 4B2. बात समझिए सर, 4B2 में टेम्पररी रिवर्सल हम लोग किए, ठीक है? ये चार्ट देखिए, फ्रॉम जुलाई 17, आई कुड नॉट फिट द एंटायर शीट. दिस इज अ शीट मेड बाय मी फ्रॉम जुलाई 17 टू जुलाई 23. वी हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? वी हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द इनपुट, such inputs which we have reversed in table 4B2, but we have not claimed it yet in table 4A5. We have not yet claimed in table 4A5. So what are we going to do? Up to July 23, we are going to calculate that all that amount which we have temporarily reversed in table 4B2, but we have not reclaimed it in table 4A5. And we are going to use that as the opening balance. Opening balance. We are going to use it as opening balance. This particular statement is opening balance. They are asking you to put this figure which you are yet to claim, which you have reversed but yet to claim. Temporary reversal. You are going to put this, so आपका जुलाई 2023 तक sorted हो गया. डिपार्टमेंट ये चाहते हैं कि आप वॉलंटरीली सर डिस्क्लोज करिए बिकॉज इट्स सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. 4B2, 4A5, 4D1, who will keep a track? So department wants to keep a track of this. तो ये आपका ओपनिंग बैलेंस हो गया. द अमाउंट फॉर इंस्टेंस 100 रुपीज है यहाँ पर आपका, ठीक है? नाउ फॉर द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट, दिस इज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. फॉर द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट यू डू अ टेम्पररी रिवर्सल बिकॉज माल नहीं आया सर. 30th अगस्त तक माल नहीं आया. मैंने 4B2 में 10 रुपया मैंने रिवर्स कर दिया. So what will happen? Up to July 2023, I filed this particular statement. 100 रुपया है अपने पास क्रेडिट में. 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees. For the month of August, 10 rupees added. 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. अब 110 रुपया हो गया. Now what will happen? September month will come. September month में मैं आया. September month में I will say sir, oh अच्छा मेरा माल तो अभी आ गया, goods आ गया, और my particular supplier, I paid amount to my particular supplier. I want to reclaim the credit. I will reclaim 120 rupees. I will reclaim 120 rupees here. I will claim 120 rupees here in table 4A5 and I will report it in table 4D1. क्या होगा सर? आपका खाता में तो 110 रुपया था ना? Opening balance 100. 10 rupees was the temporary reversal in 4B2 for the month of August. But you are claiming more than what you are saying that you are to claim, right? So you are claiming 120 rupees in table 4A5. So there will be a red warning, validation. कि how are you claiming more than your temporary reversal which is yet to be claimed? So scrutiny notices may be received wherein we have to explain why are we claiming more than what we are saying that we have temporarily reversed and not claimed yet, right? We need to understand certain things. The taxpayers having monthly filing frequency, as I told you, they need to report up to the period from July 17 to July 23. What? जितना input अपने reverse किए temporary 4B2 में for these 3-4 reasons which we have not claimed by. And for Q1MP, again the same thing. April, June means 30th June, and here 30th July will be the cutoff date. This has to be reported up to 30th of November. So don't be perspiring thinking that we have to do it today, tomorrow, but we can do it up to 30th of November. मतलब ओपनिंग बैलेंस 30 तारीख तक दे सकते हैं 30th नवंबर, लेकिन आपका खाता स्टार्ट हो गया है. अगस्त में जितना अमाउंट 4B2 में रिवर्स करेंगे ऐड होते जाएगा, सितंबर में ऐड होते जाएगा, लेकिन ओपनिंग बैलेंस क्या है? दैट यू कैन डू अप टू 30th of November, राइट? And this can be amended up to 3 times.